Domanda 1. Complete, there is underscore 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 in the room. Someone / somebody, A. Anybody. B. Somebody. C. Nobody. D. Everybody, all wrong except one. The correct answer is B. We use somebody in positive sentences. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 2. Complete, I can't find my keys underscore 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 dot. Anywhere, A. Somewhere. B. Anywhere. C. Nowhere. D. Everywhere. The correct answer is B. We use anywhere in negative sentences, can't find, anywhere. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 3. Complete, is there underscore 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 who can help me? Question, A. Someone. B. Anyone. C. No one. D. Everyone. The correct answer is B. We use anyone in questions. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 4. Complete, there is underscore 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 to eat in the fridge, it's empty. A. Something. B. Anything. C. Nothing. D. Everything. The correct answer is C. Nothing makes the sentence negative in meaning without needing not. La risposta corretta è la C. Domanda 5. Complete, underscore 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 liked the film, they all applauded. A. Someone. B. Anyone. C. No one. D. Everyone. The correct answer is D. Everyone means all the people. La risposta corretta è la D. Domanda 6. Complete, I'd like underscore 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 to drink, please. Something, A. Something. B. Anything. C. Nothing. D. Everything. The correct answer is A. We use something in offers and requests, even though they are a bit like questions. La risposta corretta è la A. Domanda 7. Complete, underscore 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 was in the classroom, it was completely empty. A. Somebody. B. Anybody. C. Nobody. D. Everybody. The correct answer is C. Nobody means no person and makes the sentence negative in meaning. La risposta corretta è la C. Domanda 8. Choose the correct sentence. A. I don't have somewhere to go. B. I don't have anywhere to go. C. I don't have nowhere to go. D. I don't have everywhere to go. The correct answer is B. We use anywhere after a negative verb like don't have. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 9. Complete, she looked underscore 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 for her phone but couldn't find it. A. Somewhere. B. Everywhere. C. Nowhere. D. Nowhere. The correct answer is B. Everywhere means in all places. La risposta corretta è la B. Domanda 10. Complete, would you like underscore 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 to eat? A. Something. B. Anything. C. Nothing. D. Everything. The correct answer is A. We often use something, not anything, in offers. La risposta corretta è la A.